Hello and welcome to Timmys10 again. We got in the mail today a couple of loop kits for Hot Wheels track, and we have the 20-foot track that we've been racing on, and I've been dying to get a couple of loops, and we have them here. We put one together so we can make it easy. I'm going to show you how to put this one together. Alright, it's a track builder system. Comes with a glow wheel, and it's got a perforated back here, so let's see if we can open this up the way it's intended. Almost. Instructions, but we don't need those unless it don't work. If all else fails, read the instructions. These go like that. They connect like that. Pivot. And the blue tracks, as you can see on my other one that I already built, go on top. And they connect to this. Real simple to put together. Pinch right there is what I've noticed. Till it gets to the dot. And then the other blue one. Same thing. Go right to the edge. Pinch that little piece in on both sides. And oops. There we go. It's in there. All right, then nice and easily they fit. Come around, and once again, a nice fit. All right, we'll put this piece in here. These are the modern pieces that connect. And one's going to go here, and the other is going to go there. Now we have two tracks. Comes with a car. Get that out of our way, we'll clean it up later. Nice glow wheels that it comes with, and the name of the car is a Power Surge. Not going to work like that, but we will get these set up on our track, and keep tuned in to Timmys10 again. Make sure you're checking our new races, because these are getting set up for our very next race. Thanks so much for tuning in to Timmys10 again. Please subscribe.